How to manage a downloadable product in Wcart. From your Wcart admin dashboard, go to Products from the left sidebar. Click Add Product to create a new product. On the product creation page, select Downloadable as the product type. Start by entering the product name. Next, add a clear and detailed product description. Next, move to the Media section. Upload a featured image to represent your product. You can also add additional images to the gallery and provide a video URL. Next, go to the Pricing section. Enter the product price. If you're offering a discount, enter the sale price as well. You can also enter the cost per item. Scroll to the Downloadable section. Here, you can add the digital file that customers will receive after purchasing the product. You can either enter the file URL directly or select the file from your media library. Next, configure the search engine listing section. Enter a clear and SEO-friendly URL handle for your product that helps customers and search engines understand the product page. On the right side, select the appropriate category and primary category. Then select the brand and add relevant tags if required. Once you've completed all the required information, click Save to create the product. After saving, you'll be redirected to the Manage Products page. You can also use the available View, Edit, and Trash options to manage the product. Click View to preview the product on your storefront. Use Edit to update the product details, downloadable file, pricing, or other settings. After updating the information, click Save. If you want to delete the product, click Delete to remove the product when it is no longer required. A confirmation notification will appear. Click Confirm to remove from your product list. Thank you for watching.